We are asked to graph a linear function. A linear function is a function described by a linear equation. It is a linear equation made up of ordered pairs x, y. We can plot the ordered pairs and we can graph a straight line through them. Although we are only plotting a few points, the line actually represents all of the ordered pairs that make up the line, and it has to be perfectly straight. Let's practice graphing a linear function with a table. Here's an example of y equals 4x minus 1. First we're going to make a table, and then we substitute the values that we want. So I select very small numbers like zeros and ones and negative ones. Then we plot the points and connect the points with a line that has to be straight. So first put the numbers in. I'll start with a negative 1, 0, and 1. And as I said, it could be any numbers, but these are easy to multiply and add with. We're going to be using this part of the equation, which we call the rule. So with this rule, we're going to be multiplying 4 times the variable here, which is a negative 1. And I put the negative 1 right here. Then we complete the rule by subtracting 1. The result of this would be 4 times the negative 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 more is a minus 5. And from this, we make an ordered pair where we get the negative 1 from right here, and we made the 5 in our function, negative 5. And repeat this with 0, or 4 times 0, minus 1, which equals a negative 1 or minus 1, and makes an ordered pair of 0, negative 1. And we repeat again, 4 times 1 minus 1 equals 3, and we make an ordered pair, which is 1, 3. We're going to plot those points. First negative 1, negative 5, then 0, negative 1, and then 1, 3. Next we draw a line right through there, and there we have it, a straight line that is the function of y equals 4x minus 1. Okay, this is your turn. The function y equals 3x plus 1. You can use any numbers you want, but I suggest you use negative 1, 0, and 1. And I'm going to show you how to make these in a rapid fire way. We're going to be multiplying by 3, so I do that right away. Then I leave a parenthesis for my x value. And I'm going to be adding 1 to each of these function rules. Then I put in my x values of negative 1, 0, and 1, and I do the computation. 3 times a negative 1 is a negative 3, plus 1 leaves me with a negative 2. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 leaves me with a 1. 3 times 1 is 1, plus 1, that means that equals 4. Next, we're going to make ordered pairs, so I set up the little parentheses. First ordered pair is negative 1, negative 2. The next is 0, negative 1. Last one is 1, 4. And we got those numbers from here for x and y, x and y, x and y. Now let's graph them. This is the point negative 1, negative 2. This is the point 0, 1. And this is the point 1, 4. Now we draw a straight line through those points. And congratulations, you have graphed the function y equals 3x plus 1.